Hydropower, endless, efficient, and ecological. But how does it begin? This is Voith Hydro in York, Pennsylvania, one of the largest dedicated hydropower manufacturing facilities in the world. The only hydropower manufacturing facility in North America with a hydraulic test lab and a dedicated staff of engineers designing, fabricating, and refurbishing hydroelectric equipment from some of the smallest to some of the largest, serving all of North American hydroelectric market needs. Voith Hydro's experts have been advancing America's production of reliable, renewable energy for more than 140 years, and we're right here in York, Pennsylvania. Hydro technology from Voith Hydro powers our communities and changes how we see the world. We're helping energy producers deliver clean, safe, renewable electricity with near zero carbon footprint. But what about the environmental impact? Voith Hydro engineers have worked diligently to design turbines that help fish pass safely. We've developed innovative aerating turbine technologies that improve water quality and created oil-free turbines that prevent the release of pollutants into the water. We've pioneered pump storage equipment that reacts quickly to daily fluctuations in the electricity grid. We are also actively working to modernize and extend the life of the hydro fleet in the United States and the world. And we continue to invest in machinery and technology that expand our capabilities. Behind all we do is a dedication to safety, a principle at the core of the decisions we make and how we approach our work. It takes the right people to propel a company like Voith Hydro forward. Our family-owned business relies on over 500 US-based hydro employees who are knowledgeable, dedicated, inspiring, and relentless. And our customers share our ambition and desire for cost-effectiveness, quality, and reliability. This is hydropower manufacturing in America. This is Voith Hydro in York, Pennsylvania, your technology partner. Voith, inspiring technology for generations.